Good day, everyone. I am Adrian Eugene P. Cabenos. With my partner Franklin M. Pelayo, we are second year IT student, and this our school management system. Classes. Classes are blueprints for creating objects. In your design, person is the base class, while student and teacher are subclass. Each class defines properties like name, age, ID, and behaviors, methods that describe what those objects can do. Inheritance hierarchy. Inheritance allows subclass to reuse and extend the functionality of present class. In a program, student and teacher inherit from a person, meaning they actually get the base attributes, name, age, ID, but can also add their own unique features like specialization for teacher. Encapsulations means keep data safe by making fields private and controlling access through public methods. Getters setters. For example, the program hide the raw value of name, age, and ID, and only allow changes through validation rules that protects integrity of the data, prevents misissue. Polymorphism makes method flexible. Polymorphism lets subclass override method like display info, so they have different depending on the object types. This makes the program more adaptable and allows one method name to serve multiple purposes.
Good day everyone. So this is the demonstration and I will be showing you the working application. So first this is our code. So this is the course class, Dorso Management System or the School Management System class, then person class and student class, and last is teacher class. So if we run this code, mo ni siya ang malabas. So Dorso School Management. One, na students, they add student, add teacher, add course, then show student, then show teachers, then show course. Then if mag-add tawag student, mag-add tayo to Frankie Pelayo, then age kay 19, format is 1234, 1234. And second year, will be 18. So successful, student added successful. So if we add a teacher, try na to again. Now 1, 1, 2, 4, 3. Uy. So na siya restriction if dili kumpleto ang ID number. So ID must follow format year then XXXX. So na siya format na inana. So sabo na to. So specialization ID. So na to. Then okay, teacher added successfully. So if we search or show student, mo ni malabas. So Frankie Pelayo, ID number, then name, then year, level, then course. So if sa teacher naman, or then I mean 5. So kan sa malinaw pero maradya pa same. So ang restrictions nga among gigamit diri or akong gibutang among gi-add diri is if sa add student, if ang name is nag-use sila og number, kay mag-error. So name must only contains letters, so bawal number. So sa pod sa sa age, nagbutang pud mi og restrictions which is need siya nga numbers lang siya only. Ana. So, age must be a number. Then sa ID number, dara, ID number format, need siya og, so example, so ID number, ana, tapos wala niya gisunod ang format, so must follow the format. Then, sa code na mong gigamit which is sa OOP design, so nadriya ang polymorphism, I mean encapsulation. So this is the encapsulation code nga among gigamit or among gibutang. So next is inheritance. So dara, we inherit person to the student's class, which is public class student extends person. Next is polymorphism. So dara, nag-override mi og code. Then that's all. The demonstration and the examples of OP designs. Thank you.